Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log out of iQIYI account. So first of all, launch open iQIYI application. You can see over here iQIYI application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to log out of the iQIYI account, tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for settings. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings of this app. You'll be able to find various options over here. At bottom you can see this option for logout. So all you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. If you log out of your account, viewed history might be lost. So tap on this option log out that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be logged out of the iQIYI account. So that is how you log out of iQIYI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.